Hello students. Today in this class we are going to learn about our third chapter, that is more on tux paint. All of you we like to do the drawing, painting, etc. We know in computer there is one application, that is paint. Tux paint is the program that is used to draw and color, and we like to do the coloring and drawing. So here in this class, in this lesson, we are going to learn about more on the tux paint. In our previous class, we have learned the different buttons of the tux paint in the previous class. Here, can you name them? Look at here some pictures, that is of the tux tool buttons given. That first one is the new. See, this one is button of the new. Afterwards, the button is the open. After that, third one switch is the save. This tool is of the paint. Either you can say brush also. And the last one tool is the stamp tool. So first one is the new, second one open, third one tool is the save, fourth one paint, either you can say brush also, and the last one is the stamp tool. These tools we have already learnt about in previous class. Here we are going to learn more on the tux paint. Tux paint, as we know, this is the tux paint is a computer program that is used to draw and color. We have previously learnt about some tools in the tux paint. Let us recall that too. How to open the tux paint, you have to follow the some steps. First of all, we have to click on the start button. This is the start button in the computer. After that, click on the programs, all programs. Click on the tux paint. After that, click on the tux paint window. Here are some rules. These are the tools on the toolbox in tux paint. This is the paint tool, this is the stamp. Sometimes we need to draw the lines, so there is a already line tool is there. With the using of that tool we can draw the different lines. Shapes, suppose rectangle, circle, oval, triangle, etc. Hexagon, pentagon, these are the shapes we need for drawing or painting or coloring. That time we can use the shapes tool. After that, text tool. In the drawing, sometimes we need to type the text. That time we can use the text tool. Magic tool. Eraser. While drawing or painting, suppose if something is wrong, that time we can, for erasing the that part, we can use the eraser tool. After that, if we want the new paint window, that time we can click on the paint. After that, this is the tool of the open, and this tool is of a save, and this tool is the print. For printing the whatever drawing, we can use the print tool. After that, quit. If you want to quit the this paint tux paint window, that time we can, if we want to close, that time we can use this. So here is the paint tool, stamp tool, lines tool, shapes tool, text tool, magic tool, eraser tool, new tool. These two tools of undo and redo tool, eraser tool, new tool, open tool, save tool, print tool and quit tool. These all are the tools in the tux paint. And this side, brush shapes and sizes are there. Different shapes also available in the brush tool. Here the colors available, we can pick a color and brush shapes to the draw with them. Now let us discuss more about the stamp tool. What is the stamp tool now? We know the name stamp. Stamping means as it is, suppose picture we want to stamp or sign there, that particular name of the school, signature of someone, we can stamp as it is by using the stamp. Like this, in the MS Paint, there are a tux paint. There are a small picture in the tux paint. These pictures can be used as the stickers or stamps. There are several stamps of fruits, flowers, animals, among other things that can be found in the tux paint. In the tux paint, there are several stamps of fruits. Suppose while drawing we need some fruits, shape of a fruits, flowers and animals. That time no need to draw the everything. There are a stamp tool. With the using of stamp tool, we can pick the we can use, with the using of stamp tool we can draw the flowers, animals and the fruits, etc. The stamp tool is used to paste these pictures on the drawing area. With the using of the stamp tool in the drawing area, here, see, here this is the drawing area. Here we can, with the using of this stamp tool, suppose we want to draw the flower. So with the using of this stamp tool, whatever flowers available, we can pick and select, we can draw the directly flower here with the using of stamp tool. After that, whatever, suppose animal pictures, fruit pictures, we can directly paste on the drawing area. Follow the given steps to add a stamp in the tux paint. First of all, we have to click on the new tool. Go to the blank page and double click on it. Now select the stamp tool by clicking on it. Using the left and right arrow keys, browse through the types of the stamps available. Click on the stamp which you wish to add. First of all, we have to click on the new tool. After that, go to a blank page and double click on it. First of all, we have to click the new tool. After that, go to the blank page and double click on it. After that, now select the stamp tool. Then we can select the stamp tool on clicking on it. Using the left and right arrow keys, we can browse or we can see the whatever types of the stamps available. In that, from that, click on the stamp which you wish to add. As you move the mouse pointer or the cursor to the drawing area, an outline of the selected stamp will appear. As we move from there to the drawing area, stamp will appear. click once to paste the stamp. After that, wherever we want in the drawing area, there we can click once to paste the stamp. You can also paste the same stamps again by clicking on the other part of the drawing area. Suppose the stamp, suppose you need the same stamp, 2 3 flowers if you need, then you can click wherever you want in the drawing area. Click on any other tool to finish using the stamps. After finishing, you can click on the other tool by for finishing using the stamps. Look at this stamp tool here. Different flowers they used by clicking the stamp tool. And when our work is over and we need to finish the stamp tool, we can click on the any tool. See, this is the blank page we can, and this is the new tool option. The whole white is the blank page. After that, new tool we can use for finishing stamp tool. TuxPaint is an open source of the program. This means that TuxPaint is free for all. It also means that you can change how the TuxPaint works. You will learn about this in the higher classes. TuxPaint is an open source of the program, means you can do any drawing in this program. This means that TuxPaint is free for all. We all can use, and this is free for all. It means that you can change how the TuxPaint work. You will learn about this in the higher classes. So students, today we will stop here. In the tomorrow's session, we'll learn about the magic tool.